Right, here we are, back in Les's garage, and quick update on this thing, the Kawasaki Z 1300.
Yeah.
So, it's been about a month or two since we last saw it, and it's not been easy. It's not been easy since we fitted the Delta exhaust system, because our next job was to fit this thing, the radiator, and it didn't want to fit.
No.
And we tried and tried and tried, and it would not go on. And we decided in the end it was because the original hoses, there's a hose at the top, hose at the bottom, they were kind of old, original from 1979.
Yeah.
And they were kind of hard, I'd say, they're sort of like smaller than they should be, sort of shrank, and they weren't in good condition, put it that way.
They weren't rock hard, but they're obviously aged.
Weren't ideal.
Yeah.
And we couldn't get the top hose on at all. We couldn't get it on where it needs to be, and we just tried, couldn't do it. Right, give up, take it all off, and you went away to try and find a new pair of hoses.
Yep.
But it turned out there's none available.
No, I did a lot of searching and eventually found a company in Germany.
Yeah. By the way, there's a hose there, and there's one down there somewhere. So we had to order it from Germany.
Yeah.
They came recently, so we had another second go, and after some difficulty we did get the damn thing on. And the difficulty this time was we couldn't get the lower mounts, which are down there.
The lower mounting bolts.
On, it just wouldn't go on. It's like very tricky to see what's going on, but turned out the reason was because in the past somebody had fitted bolts, the lower bolts anyway, that were too long.
Too long, yeah.
So what?
And they'd gone through a captive nut, hit the frame, and then pushed the bracket out and bowed it, and bent it out of shape.
Yeah, because they were too long. So we didn't realise it at first. When we realised what happened, it's like, okay, now what do we do? So we ended up getting a longer bolt, screwed it in.
A long bolt.
With my Hulk-like strength,
pulled it
back, and praying that it wouldn't snap the
captive nuts wouldn't snap in the bracketry.
Which thankfully it didn't.
No.
So once we'd done that, it all went on okay.
Straightforward,
so we've now got the liquid in, the coolant in.
Coolant's in.
It's not leaked, which is a good sign. So that's a fantastic
progress.
Oh, and also we got oil in it as well, and
all new oil
filter to the point where the oil light went off, which is a good sign as well.
Yeah. Then we put the plugs in.
I put the plugs in, and then we hit a problem.
We've replaced the original Kawasaki coils with Honda coils, which is a common upgrade back in the day.
You're also a pain because they live down. There's three of them in the top triangle.
But I'd cut the original leads off the original knackered coils.
Yes, to reuse them.
But they're a little bit short, so I'm going to replace all the HT leads now.
So we ordered some new HT.
I've ordered a metre of HT lead. Should be enough.
And when that arrives, we'll sort it out.
Yeah.
After that, next step is to fit
carburetors.
Carbs.
Yeah.
Now you're saying in the past you did rebuild them.
Yeah.
Thinking that the problem was with the carbs, but when we didn't know, or you didn't realise, the problem was actually with a
sticky valve,
a bent valve.
Yeah,
Hopefully, fingers crossed, with that resolved, putting the carbs back on shouldn't be an issue. It should just go on. They've been rebuilt, and it should just run.
Yeah, I'll probably pull the float bowls off and just make sure that everything's fine before I reinstall.
So once that's done, airbox on,
tank
on, petrol on.
Done.
Fingers crossed. Hit the button, it'll start. Job done. And I must say, I'm looking forward to hearing this new 6x2 exhaust system.
You've never ridden one, so you'll have to ride it.
Yeah. Apparently, I'm down for riding the damn thing because you can't.
I can't ride at the moment.
A test ride. Well, it'll be all right. It's a bike, innit? I'm sure I can manage. Although now we're in October, just about. We might not get too much in the way of good weather for the next few months. Right, so there you go. There's a quick update on this Kawasaki Z 1300 from 1980.
Sorry, 1980. It's an A2.
So there's that particular project, but there's another project next door that we can now go and look at.
Right, okay.
There you go. Turn that off. Right, so here we are in the warm side, in the posh side.
Warm garage.
And we were looking at Drew's Turbo Project bike.
Yeah.
And you're happily sat over there. So it's a case of, I think, one step forward and two steps back.
With this,
Well, it might appear to be, but it's not quite.
There is progress.
There's progress. We'll start off with a good bit of progress, which is here. We've now got foot pegs and foot controls.
Yeah.
Now, these actually are based on a pair I had made by your Jeff.
Correct.
For my 650/750 project.
Yeah.
And I brought them over so he could see them, Drew could see them. He liked what he saw. He said, yeah, fine, make me the same set.
Yeah.
They're the same, but a bit different, because while mine have holes in the levers, which suits my particular style, he wanted these...
ball slot.
Yeah, line milled slots,
the ball slot,
which mimic the slot here.
The groove in the swinging arm,
yeah. And then if we come around here, I can tell you something quite handy if you ever want to buy a remaster cylinder, because on this side, this is a lovely, almost brand new Brembo remaster cylinder, and it's dead cheap because it's from a Yamaha MT10, and it seems like nobody wants Yamaha MT10 parts, so this was about 25 quid.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Whereas if you wanted something similar, say from an R1 and R6, they're like about 80 quid. Yeah, and they're all worn out and tatty, stuff. You know. Yeah. So, yeah, if you ever want a nice Brembo, and this actually came complete with, you know,
well, that's a year old, so all the seals in it are good.
Yeah, bargain. So, again, it's been copied from what I did, so that's all good. And Jeff even machined the heads of the... Yeah, so that's great. So, coming around then, we've also now fitted some of these relays, which go on the back.
One of them wants replacing because it's a bit battered.
Okay. Yes, they're on the bracket.
That's where they live.
Yeah. And as you can see, we've now no longer got the battery box or the front part of the rear mudguard, and that's plastic.
The original 650 mudguard.
And the reason for that is because we're going to make a new battery box that's a bit bigger than the standard one. And we got rid of the plastic rear mudguard because it impinged on this area here. It sort of came in a long way, and we need all the bloody space you can get for all the gizmos that have to live in this area. It's a fuel pump, is there, and various other things.
Oh, there's a junction box, rear brake reservoir.
There's a lot going on.
Starter solenoid. There's a lot of stuff that are going.
So what we're doing is making a flat plate here to act as the rear mudguard, and it goes back here bent and goes all the way back. So again, it's all done to get some space back.
Yes.
Now the reason we can do that is because the rear wheel is now a 17, not an 18. It's got a low profile tyre.
And it's a lot further back.
And it's further back because this swing arm is longer than a standard 650 swing arm.
Correct.
So you don't need to impinge on this area here as the original did. So yeah, that's what's going to happen right now. And that's currently in, what do you call it, in manufacture. Whenever that comes. Now, so that's all going okay. You can see here's another one of these. That's the ECU box. That's
ECU.
That's living in the seat hump.
Seat hump,
Yeah, we've cut a hole in the seat hump.
Which is here.
Of the 2.4 seat.
Not finished yet.
It's not finished yet. You can see there.
It all wants trimming and edge tape, but it slots into here.
Yeah.
And there's enough slack in the cable to allow the seat to open.
Yeah. Which is good.
It's the only place we could find to put it.
Yeah, because it's quite a big thing and it's not easy to find a home for it.
Well, I know other people that have built these Z650 stroke turbo hybrids.
Yeah.
And, Jonathan's bike,
JB,
I think he's got a KH triple tailpiece.
Yes, he has,
in order to fit the ECU into there. I presume that's where he's put it.
Talking of tailpieces, another bit of work is all of this area here is now finished.
The original tailpiece is at the painters for paint. That's a one you supply. Just for fitting. Up.
No, I'm talking about this here. It's now got a billet bracket to hold the ZX6R rear lamp and the number plate, as well as this part here and spaces and all the rest of it. So it's all been...
It's not finished.
It's not finished yet.
There's got to be some angle brackets made to mount the indicators.
Here. But essentially, if I go around here, you might be able to see how it looks.
It'll all want painting black or anodizing.
Hard anodizing. Yeah, because another point, before I forget, Drew, the owner, wanted these finished in black, sort of the same as the frame, which is great, but you can't really powder coat or paint these machine parts because they've got lots of sharp edges. And paint and even powder coat doesn't like sharp edges.
No, it doesn't.
Don't work, it'll soon flake off. So I recommended we get these hard anodized or cerakoted.
Cerakoted.
Which
I mean, the bike's not. We're never going to see the rain
No,
or salt.
I mean, you could polish him, but I think he wants it black.
Well, I don't know. We'd have to.
Yeah, to be decided. To be
decided, correct.
Yeah, if you polish it, it looks great, but then you've got to keep it polished.
Yeah.
If you can anodise it, it's done once, and it's, you don't have to worry about it anymore.
True.
Right, yeah. So the next step then is to get all this stuff sorted out here, and then start to connect all the wires, and then one day, hopefully,
it's very slow because of my condition.
Yeah. You can see here, there's plenty of kit here to still fit on the bike. Got some dyno. Oh yeah, great. Oh yes, we've got some dyno coils.
Dyno coils are mounted.
Yeah, they're all mounted now.
The tailor leads are down on the ramp underneath the bike.
Yeah.
So they need cutting down and all the fittings crimped on.
Yes.
So that's another little job.
Yeah, so
the wiring loom needs to come off now.
Yeah.
And all be retaped and checked out.
Yeah.
So that's another job.
Yeah, slow but sure.
But it's getting there. It's
getting there. Yeah.
I did actually stop working on it for about 3 months while I was trying to get the Z1300 next door finished.
For his birthday, yeah.
For his 80th birthday.
That didn't happen.
But because of my current health condition,
it didn't but also
it hasn't happened.
Getting the parts is difficult.
Well, getting the parts was another problem, yeah.
But, every now and again, things happen, all this has been machined now and shaped. Space is made, that's been made. Yeah, so things are slowly coming together. And I'm sure by Christmas probably, or by the spring when he'll want to ride the damn thing, it will be finished.
Yeah.
I mean, also all the paintwork's
been given to Mark.
Yeah.
Months ago.
Yeah, it's in the queue. It's in the queue.
Yeah.
Mark's always busy, so you've got to wait. You've got to be patient. So there you go. There's quick progress on these two bikes. There's other things happening as well, like there's a bit of work going on your ZL. You got some parts from the sump.
Yeah, I've just got a box on top of the seat there of all the parts I need to rebuild the oil pump and get the sump on.
Yes, yeah.
So that's the next stage with that.
But again, it's all slow.
It's very slow because of I've just sold my van.
Yeah, that's got some
money. I had a little bit of money left over, and I've managed to spend a little bit of money on this.
On the seals and whatnot.
Which now means I can move forward and tick another job off the list.
Yeah.
So the list's getting shorter.
Yeah.
Which is encouraging,
step by step.
Really.
So there you go. There's what's been going on in Les's workshop. Yeah. Not as much as usual, but we are still making progress.
We are.
Right, so that's it then. And now, as usual,
cup of tea.
Cup of tea.